explain you chapter number 30, Celebrate So High, subject Environmental Studies for class 5. Students, as I explained you in a previous class, that this Gaurav Jani is a fond of, he likes journey, he likes to visit different places, right? So the person Gaurav Jani with his bike Lunar, he calls his bike Lunar. Both of them travel from Bombay to Kashmir, Jammu Kashmir, and in between he experienced about different places, different cities, okay, culture of different places. Now, as I new house, okay, Gaurav Jani, new house, cold desert, right? Leh is a cold desert where climatic condition is cool and dry, very less rainfall. Leh, this sea. Home with Kasi, okay. So Gaurav Jani met a person, who let Gaurav Jani know how they live, what kind of structure of their house, how they survive during the winter. Then I explained people living on top of the world. There is Champa tribe, which live at 5,000 meter height. Okay, average 5,000 meter height. Right, and the number are 5,000 people. Tribe consists of 5,000 people, and this Champa tribe are very famous for pashmina. Okay, they manufacture shawl and sweater from pashmina wool. Okay, they have special coat. They live at very high place in a very difficult conditions. Okay, the Champa. Okay, now the world famous pashmina. Right, as I told you, what is pashmina? Pashmina is a shawl which is very hot. Okay, which is very expensive. It is as warm as 6 sweaters. One shawl is warm as 6 sweaters. That's why pashmina, it is very soft. It is believed that pashmina shawl is as warm as 6 sweaters. It is very thin yet very warm. Okay, you can pass that pashmina shawl from this much of ring. Okay. The goat from which the softened pashmina wool is collected are found on very high altitude. As I told you, found 5,000 meters. In winter, the temperature here drops below 0, -40. Okay. Water became an ice at 0 Celsius. Okay. When temperature down at 0 Celsius, then water change its states into ice. But imagine, it is less than 0, means -40. So you can imagine the climatic condition, the cold. Okay, a coat of warm hair grows on the goat's body, which protect it from extreme cold. They look after themselves as well as they protect their goats. Right? Why they protect their goats? Just because these goats are the only source of earning, only source of livelihood, only source of income, right? Their only source is that goat. The goats shed some of their hair for in summer. This hair is so fine that 6 of this would be as thick as one hair of yours. Okay. The fine hair cannot be woven on machine, and so weavers of Kashmir make this shawl by hand. Okay, these are handmade shawl. This is a long and difficult process. After almost 250 hours, it means almost more than 10 days, right? Hours weaving, one plain pashmina shawl is made. Imagine how long it would take to make a shawl with embroidery. This shawl take almost 10 days. Okay, to over. As we step into the tent, I realize that I can stand up straight. Okay, now come to the tent. Okay, this Champa made a tent. Like they dug 2 feet. They dug soil 2 feet. Okay, and then they made tent. Why? Because to protect themselves against the whole climatic conditions. So as we stand in the tent, I realized that I could stand up straight. It was not like in my tent. I also saw the Rabo was as big as a room of my flat in Mumbai. Okay, they call their tent Rabo. Okay, it was held up by 2 wooden poles in the middle. There was an opening to let out the smoke from the chula. Now they are told that the design of the tent is more than 1,000-year-old. Okay, so they have they have a chimney, they have like a chimney, so the smoke of chula can easily vent out. Okay, and the design of that tent is 1,000-year-old, means it is very ancient and unique as well as antique design. As well as we can say this is classic design. Why? Because why we call the design as a classic design? Because it was useful before 1,000 years, as well as it is used after 1,000 years. So no change. They need not to change any design. That's why we can say that is a classic design. The tent protects the Champa from extreme cold. Right? How cold must it be? In the winter, the temperature drops many degrees below zero. The wind blows 70 kilometers per hour. Means we cannot stand. Okay, we cannot walk. Imagine 70 kilometers per hour wind blow, and that wind is very cold, less than zero. So we can imagine the condition, how they survive. Why they they stay, why they live in that very hard condition to get the pashmina fur for their livelihood, right? Imagine if you were on a bus which was going at this speed, how far from your house would you reach in 1 hour? 70 kilometers in 1 hour. Near the railroad, there was a place to keep sheep and goat. Okay, they also have a space to keep the sheep and goat. Okay, Champa call this likha. For Champa, the tent, Champa tribe believe the tent is known as a rabo, and for sheep, that tent is known as a lekha. The wall of lekha are made with stone. Each family puts special mark on their own animal, right? Why they put mark? Because this animal won't get exchanged, right? The woman and young girls count and take animal out of lekha. They also have to keep record that how many goat, how many animals they have. So they count. Okay. For Champa, the animal are very important part of their life. Is any animal part of your life? For example, as a pet or as a helper or helpers in farming. Like in pet, like parrot, dog, cat. These pet are important. Why? Because someone is attached to that pet, as well as cow. Cow is an important animal for our life. Why? It provides us milk, and from that milk we can make so many dairy products like ghee, then butter, then paneer, cheese. So Cow is cow and buffalo both are very important animal in our life because it provides us food like milk, birds like chicken, hen is also very important bird, like it provides us eggs. Okay, so list 5 ways which different animals are part of our life. Okay, so that I will explain in my class, as well as you are supposed to write down in your syllabus. Dogs, goat and sheep need their own fur and wool. Discuss. Okay, do goats and sheep needs their own fur and wool. Discuss. Okay, so that you are supposed to buy yourself. Okay. Now find out. You read that in Changkhan the temperature drops below 0 Celsius. Look at newspaper on the TV to find cities in India or abroad where the temperature drops below. So you are supposed to find out the places where temperature is drop below 0, right? So you are supposed to do by yourself, as well as I'll explain the answer as well. Now towards Srinagar. Okay, Srinagar is capital of Jammu and Kashmir, but this capital is interchanged. Okay, I spent few days with the Changpa, but sadly it was a time to move on. My return journey would take me away from this special part of the world toward towns which look like a totally different world. Right? I already show you picture of this Changpa. Okay, and this Changpa is where totally different. Actually, totally different from the other places. Why? Because it's situated at 5,000 high altitude, as well as the climatic condition of that place is also different, right? You won't find any modern buildings. You won't find any factory. You won't find any road. It's totally natural. It's completely natural. That's why this, not only that Gaurav journey, but also we also like places. Okay, like Changkhan. I took different route to Leh. I was going towards Srinagar via Kargil. I saw many more amazing buildings and different houses. I stayed in Srinagar for a few days. I was amazed by the houses there. They took my heart away. Some houses are on the mountain while some are on water. I took many pictures of this. Okay, so Changpa is different, but Srinagar is also different place. Okay, we cannot compare Changkhan and Srinagar because both are unique places in their own way, in their own settlement. Clear? Okay, you read the temperature drop. Okay, so let me answer that this question. Oymyakon, Russia. As I asked you that the place is where temperature going below 0. So let me answer this question now only. Okay. Oymyakon in Russia. Then Vostok Station, Antarctica, and International Falls, Minnesota. Cities in India where temperature drops to 0 are Srinagar, Ladakh, Simla, etc. This usually happens during the winter months, but generally Russia and Antarctica, most of throughout the year, temperature is very low. Okay. So these are some pictures took by Gaurav Jani. Okay, houses on water, right? Design of this house. rocks. These are some unique design of the houses, right? So you will feel wonder, like if you visit this Jammu and Kashmir, you feel that you are in wonderland, right? So Kashmir is very unique place in the world, right? All part of Kashmir are very unique. Okay, so student, this is all about today. This is all for today. Let me revise myself one again. That Pashmina shawl is woven made out of the this special goat, fur of special goat, and this is one as silk sweater. Okay, Pashmina shawl is one as silk sweater. Now come to the life of Champa. They live in a very extreme cold climatic condition where wind is 70 km per hour. Wind is very cold. Okay, they live in a tent which is called rebo. They made a tent for their sheep and goat, is known as a lekha. Right? They count their animals every day. Okay, to keep record. And they woven shawl which take more than 250 hours, or we can say 10 days. Okay, they don't woven with machines. They woven with their own hand. That's why the Pashmina shawl is very expensive, right? They made rebo. How they made rebo? They dug 2 feet floor land, and then they made rebo. Okay, so students, this is all for today.